Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do an interesting yet simple dish, Tofu Podimas. Firstly, we are going to add 2 pieces of tofu into lukewarm water and add a bit salt to it and let it boil for about 15 minutes. The reason why we need to boil our tofu is because later when we want to smash it, it will be softened and the smashing process will be easy. Now we are going to add 1 onion into our stuff. Now we are going to add sliced chilli together with our onion. The viewers can add any kind of chilli according to their spiciness level. Now we are going to add some curry leaves for the aroma of our dish. Now we are going to add some pounded garlic. Now we are going to add a very small amount of turmeric. Now we are going to add our smashed tofu to our mixture and mix it all together evenly. Now the non-vegetarian can add 1 egg to the flavor of choice in our dish today. We need to put the egg all around our tofu, not just focused in one place. After we can see that the egg has cooked a bit, then we can turn it all around. Now we can use some oyster sauce for a seasoning taste. This oyster sauce offers a better taste to our dish today. Now we are going to add precisely needed salt since the oyster sauce already contains a huge amount of salt. Now we are going to mix it all together. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.